Hi, my name is Spencer, and here's a quick look at entering income when you're working in your case. So in your case, you'll go to the Income tab here, which will expand to show employment income, non-employment income, expected changes in income, and gross yearly income. You'll want to click on Add New Income, and then you can let them know if it's full-time, part-time, self-employment. You can add the company name. You can let them know if this is for the debtor or for the spouse. You can add an occupation, the amount of time they've worked. You're able to add a pay period, but this is really more for the calculator, so it depends on which income source you'll be using or which income type. So for instance, all pay advices, you're essentially going to be letting the system know that you're entering every single pay advice that your client has received. But if instead you do just one pay advice, you'll just be entering one pay advice, and the system knows that that is both for Schedule I and for the means test. Otherwise, it'll only go by the date entered if it's going to be for Schedule I or for the means test. You also have the year-to-date subtraction, and we'll let you know where the 6-month range is, and you can add the first pay advice, last pay advice, and the end of your pay advice if needed. Then all you need to do is add the information for Schedule I. Just remember, if you hover over these little question marks, it'll give you a brief description of that method for entering income. And if you click on the question marks, it will take you to the Help Center article with more of an explanation. As a reminder, you can also use the 6-month average for means test deductions, or you can use the 6-month average for Schedule I if you'd like to also. So we have lots of options. We recommend the Help Center articles, and then just enter the income based on what will work best for you and your client. Finally, you can do the same thing in the non-employment income, and we'll also give you a drop down for the best way to describe the income. And then the last two being any expected changes in income. If you click yes, you can add an explanation. And finally, gross yearly income, and this is for SOFA 4 and for SOFA 5.